31st, and I'm coming to restream, so it's on Facebook and YouTube, and let's see how it goes. It's our second day. We have started live trading on a $200,000 account, and this is a funded account. That's why we are trying to help you guys clear that. And as we discussed, the aim is making 6% a month, which is $6,000, and then on $100,000, and then 3%, 2% is the loss limit. So we are trying to find different setups, and we see here different things going on, and your situation is you're trying to see through our future instruments what do we have here, okay? And I just want to make sure the clarity is there, and let's see what's going on right now. We had a trade successful, alhamdulillah. So this was what we did. Let's look into what's going on. Euro is falling down and it's trying to retrace back. We drived in MNQ. We drived into gold as well. It did not came to the expected point, but we had a good ride. And which one is this? This is silver. Looks like we are in a shape. Silver looks like we are in a shape to, because we see right. Where has been the support and resistance? Where has been the support and resistance? And we try to see, let's say, so we try to buy silver. Try to buy silver and see if we can drive all the way to. So we are in silver. Give me a minute, guys. Let me try to into a situation and we see, because I'm operating multiple accounts, so I just want to make sure we are for one. So all of you who have the Blusky account, you can get into and you can do the trade as we are trading, because every day we discuss that we will try to, inshallah, get into the trade, and this is what we have got into the trade. And you see it's a fall overall level. We see that this has fallen down, kind of retracing back. So it's right now in the it's bearish actually overall, but right now we are just playing a little bit, because nothing in life goes up and down, we say मुश्किल के बाद आसानी है, आसानी के बाद मुश्किल है, happiness के बाद sadness. So this actually does, your psychology in life plays very true in trading, because trading is also sentiments embedded with logics and technical analysis. So it's a combo of two things. तो कोई भी चीज straight नीचे नहीं आती. You see, this has been a fall down. This was a ride up. This was a fell down. But it's very difficult. It's like an acid. When you touch it, it can fall down, take you off. So you do some analysis, you do some angle momentum, some geometries, and we try to study some shapes before we get into here. But God is kind. We are positive connotation. Let's see. Let me study the order block. Meanwhile, you guys can take the order. It's a live market, December 31st, 12:53 p.m. Central Time. Last day of the year 2025. So, hey, everybody, Happy New Year in advance. And inshallah, we'll try to do these live sessions, at least 1 to 2 sessions a day. So that way, those who are playing with your own capital, you can, and those who are looking for funded accounts. Why I started funding accounts is it's legitimate. People get paid all the time, and it teaches you discipline. Discipline is very important because if you learn how to manage funded accounts with so much tight rules, then you can manage your own funds very well. And second thing is just make sure you are going with a legit company because there are so many fakesters out there who can actually, you know, just take the fees for sake of fees because in everywhere there are good people, there are bad people, right? So I'll try to put my stop loss here this time. So I'm getting into a second order. And the only thing you have to manage well in blue sky is you don't have to hit the loss limit, which is why you cannot go with your full swing. Although you got good money in the account, like $200,000 to make it happen, but then the minute you blow $2,000, you get locked. So that's the true thing. You have to embrace it. You have to kind of. So for those who again are thinking how to sign up, watch the yesterday's video. It's a complete half an hour walkthrough on how we open the account in Blue Sky, and you can do any one. There is no paid promotions. There is no kind of affiliations with them yet. Yes, I am ambassador for BTCC. It's a crypto exchange, and why I am using that is because I just negotiate with them a discounted fee. That's it. So for anybody who is following me, they can take any platforms they like. But I just try to promote what I use, and I have tested it after many hit and tries. So Alhamdulillah, we are in profit, $200, and it's a live account. You can see the live profits have been showed, 21,448 and 21,658. So still we are going very gradual. We could have take 10 lots here and boom, you lose $2,000 here and you make $2,000 here. 3 days you can make three right trades. But that's why you blow up the account. You don't blow it because at any given point in time, we are no more than 1% risk. 1% is a very little risk. So this means you have to take more trades, multiple trades in order to be successful. But if you see in real life, that's how you do. We say in our own terms at Katra Katra Bane Samandar, that's the strategy. People who kind of try to blow up, they they go fast, they become rich fast, but they become poor fast as well. So you don't want to blow up the accounts. And we're here right now. We are what is kind. We are trying to see some momentums formed, and what we'll try to do is we'll try to take first profit here, and we'll try to take second profit here. Okay, that way we are kind of in a situation because right now looking at the overall fell down of silver. It's been falling since yesterday, mid midday. So there has been here double taps formed. There has been here double taps formed. I will still try to increase it to this point. Let's say 71,480. So 71,480. I will make it till here. Hopefully with a 1:2 risk reward ratio. So when you say 1:2 risk reward ratio, this means on one side I am having my stop loss not here but here at lowest depth of Fibonacci, and then second point I am actually here as well. Let me adjust. So if you see right now here, what is our situation? Our entry was here, and if we are here at 80% of Fibonacci loss, and we are on a 1.2.09, so 1 is to more than slightly like 2.1. So that's your risk ratio. If I'm losing $500 here, I might be making 1,000, 1,100 here. If I lose $1,000 here, I'll make 2,000 here. But I'm playing carefully now because see, the thing is, you have to make sure, alhamdulillah, we are $370 in profit, and you see if I get out of the trade 448 is 800, but I'm trying to see, inshallah, if we can make it 202. That way, $6,000 is the limit, and every day we try to see somehow we make 500 to 1,000. So in 6 to 7 days, we clear the first funded phase. Obviously, the more wrong you go, the more you are reversing account, but max you can reverse is $2,000. So let's say it's a very thin line. It's a very thin line, but it's a true system. I have seen people getting payouts. The fees is comparatively less. That's what I like about them. And again, it's no paid promotions. This is you can try anything you want. But since I have tried about 7, 8 funded companies, and I have seen execution slippages, future trade is also good, but I stopped doing it because I saw a lot of big slippages. Here I've seen slippages because there are people who are just here to take money from you and leave, and then there are people who are here to actually run a proper business. What they say they run. I think they are the ones who are what they say they run. So you see, this was a big fall, you know. And this is live trade, guys. So live trade, live money. Let's see the momentum. And on a 15-minute time frame, we are still riding, still riding. It's silver has been a big fall because markets are falling down. First time it started falling down, it came to this point, and then it came to this point, and then it came to this point, and now we feel it's a kind of reversing up. You see, it fell down, but then it did not broke the lower high. It just came back here. So we assume that hopefully it's rebounding back because you see this has been a positive angle, and this has been a positive angle, and I think we are in a near situation to book the profits. Now we can book the profits, or but I'm booking it because we are at 202, so I'm kind of profits. Why? Because we were here till setup, but I'm just seeing, Alhamdulillah, my targets are achieved 202. So we were on 201 yesterday, we are on 202. So we are, Alhamdulillah, in good situation. We kind of entered into retracement. You guys are in trade, you can continue, but my suggestion is, and see, right now there is another candle being forming, so it can go back down, go back up, but right now we are good. So what we assumed, we entered, it happened, alhamdulillah. And good luck, guys. This was our second day, second trade. And those who are still kind of watching us, what we are trying to do is we're trying to work with funded accounts on Blue Sky, and you can choose any platform, right? And every day come here, we try to take one or two trades, and inshallah, like today we make $690. Yesterday we made 11. Our target is $6,000. In we have a month time, but we'll try to, inshallah. The minimum is 7 trading days, so today is second trading day. Hopefully we go all green every day, inshallah, and then 7 to 10 days we will clear first challenge. And they give you the second challenge, which is called Sim Live. So it's a live and uh, demo hybrid account. They still get you the profit, but they move you to real account. And after clearing that second challenge, then you get the real money. So this is for those guys who don't have the money, but they still want to trade. They can give full time or at least partial time, and they want sitting in US to make at least $5,000-8,000 a month. Inshallah, they can with this little investment. You don't need to pay me. It's everything is just a social initiative for free. You just only pay whoever prop firm you buy accounts from. Okay. And good luck, guys. Take care. Remember, first. Happy New Year. Take care.